Hidden trick to stop spam emails in Hotmail or Outlook. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to stop spam emails in Hotmail or Outlook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Although the junk email features captures most of the spam emails that you get in your Hotmail, you still end up getting tons of junk email in your inbox. So firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for outlook.com. And make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings icon you see there on the top toolbar. Here, tap on the subscriptions option. You will then see all the companies that have signed you up for email subscriptions without letting you know. Simply go ahead and tap on the unsubscribe button to stop getting spam emails from these websites. You can also go ahead and block the website to make sure you never get any emails from them, and this is how you can stop spam emails in Hotmail or Outlook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.